Hi YouTube, welcome to another video how to make Burna Boy style of beat and King Promise style of beat. So for the starting, I moved tempo to 109 for the starting. So now I'm moving to my piano roll to start the beat. So this is what I record for my piano. Let me play so that you can see it. Okay, yeah, the VSC. The VSC I use last VSC. So into the last VSC, I enter into it and I use soft piano. So if you want to get it, just go to the internet and download it. It's cheaper. It's not amount, just MB. So just go to the internet and download it. So let me show you what the chord progression I created. So now you can see how these chords follow each other. So sweet and cool. So guys, let me show you how I make the melody side. So this is where I bring up my melody. So simple and cool. That's it. You can see how it sounds. So cool and simple. Okay guys, so let me move it to the next stuff I put. So now I put in some drum kits. I put in some drum stuff. So where the starting drum I start with my ring. So let's see how the ring is. So this is how the ring is. So guys, let me show you how it sounds with the chord and the melody. Okay, let's see. You can see how it sounds. Type of then if you hear this ring I use is the type of dimension ring and so simple and cool. And now let's move into the next drum kit I put. So now I put in the conga, I put in conga, two congas, and I put in some toms. So now let's hear all of them together. So let me pick up the congas and the toms together so that you can hear. So now let's hear it together. You can see this one is three conga three. That is all this one. So here put in conga one, conga and toms. Here comes the toms. You can see it sound. So guys, let's move into the rim. I put in another ring. Yeah, I put in another ring. So it's just the same stuff, just the same similar stuff with the other ring. So yeah, and it matches. Yeah, for the bounce and it matches the beat. So let's see. Can you hear the sound? I'm really feeling the beat. So guys, let's move into the kick and the 808. So now the kick helps. So now the kick, let's hear what's occurring in the kick. So let me play so that I can hear. Can you hear the kick sound? So now I want to move into the 8 so you can hear. Let's move into the 8. So in the 8 you can illustrate people the piano roll. So look, this is what I do in the 8. I just move shift some up so that the sound will bounce into the music, into the chord and the melody. So guys, I just added just clap so that it make the beat more sweeter and more bounce into the beat. So yeah. So guys, this is the final arrangement. So let me play it so that you can hear the final arrangement. So let's go. Wow, now you can really back at least for the beat, yeah. So guys, I added some rows. I added the first row I added is this one right here. So let me show you before how the row is. So I added this row so that it will give more bounce to the song. So this is the row. So simple, cool. Let me replay it like I okay. So secondly I added a clap. So the clap is normally the same clap I usually use so that it adds more bounce to the song and to the beat. So next stuff I just feel like bringing some sweet alama or in your story riser pudding. Yeah, riser pudding. So let's hear how it sounds. So guys you can hear how it sounds. So next normally I added another clap, so 6 clap normally, but I don't usually I think I don't use I do not use this clap. Yeah, so I delete the clap. So the next stuff I use zero and I revise zero. So this is how it sounds. Normally it sounds like this. So I change it to this. Yeah. So the final row I added is just a symbol. Let's see. Let's see one more time. Okay. So that's what I added on my beat. So let me play it for you so you can hear the beat. Okay. So you can see how the beat sounds. So guys, I added some flute to it. So here comes the flute. Okay, wait. Let me enter into the flute. So guys, if you can see, so the flute I get it from Sakura. So this is where I enter into Sakura. Sakura is normally on. It's normally inside the FLP studio where you download it. So I enter into Sakura. I go into Sonic Aquabank. So I found it in Purity Flute. So those types of Purity Flute I see on so 20. So that's what I So can you add a beat sound? Okay, so thank you guys for